To a mind of confusion, tell me what does this for me? Feeling chains. Can you set my spirit free? And just one more question, allow me this question. Could you be Messiah to me? Could you be Messiah to me? Could you be Father to a soul that's been by a world too busy to hear? Could you be friend to a helpless survivor? Can you take away my fears? I hold them all sharing.
JC may phone. Yeah, I know. Nandun yung phone, oh. Sama na kayo sa Pinakast ko lang yan. Iramin ko na lang po. Masyado mataba dito, ate. Masyado mataba.
Ross daw, Ross. Yung tongue nyo lumalabas. Yung tongue. Masyado nakadikit yung kamay ni May. Yan. Nabuo na ulit. Walang enclosure yung ano. Parang maliit ate yung taas ng cross. Medyo pugong ate. Medyo habaan po sana konti. Yan. Count mo, count. Count. Yan. Para hindi lumabas yung count nyo, number 4 lang. Number 4. Yan. Para hindi lumabas yung mga lalaki. Kyle pa, Kyle? Kyle, yung sulok mo dyan, Kyle. Okay, ayos mo na. Para mabuo niya na. Number 4, don't forget number 4. Number 4, lumalabas kasi yung thumb nyo eh. I-number 4 nyo na lang para safe.
tricycle nga pala pwede rin. Tricycle kung bibili. Dito kasi cellophane. Alam ko lang yun. Parang blue red. Para maging violet. Para maging violet. Baka bumili muna tayo ng cellophane. May mga person. Oo. Tsaka yung ano lang. Kahit yung sa normal na bar.
Kaya ready, yung ano muna tayo, pag-ibig father, to a soul that's pain and abandoned? Are you a world basically here? Would you befriend to help a survivor? Can you take away? Ready sa cross of my fears. I heard them all sharing this newfound conviction in me. Okay, tapos na si Krisha Coleman. Are you all that they made you out to be? Question mark. And just one more question. Allow me this question. Out? Would you be Messiah? Please be Messiah. Forward to me. Okay na. Oh, bridge na tayo. Gusto niyo practicein from start up to dyan? Wait lang. Asan si Ate Sam? Ate Sam, paano ba ito yun? Sa likod, bumay sa likod.
Could you be here to a heart that's been wounded in a battle that's never seen? Could you be teaching to a mind of confusion, telling them business over? Feeling chains. Can you set my spirit free? And just one more question. Allow me this question. Would you be Messiah to me? Would you be Messiah to me? Could you be Father to a soul that's been threatened by a world too busy to heal? Could you be friend to a survivor? Can you take away my fears?
Okay, cross.
This newfound affection in them. Are you all that they made you to be? And just one more question. Allow me this question. Would you be Messiah? Please be Messiah. I'm so sorry. No.
Ate Sasa. Ready ho.
Hindi ako makakuha.
Salute. Ay, looking. Pwede, okay daw. Good job. Siguro, medyo ganun-ganun mo na lang yung kamay mo para kunyari naglulok talaga. Yun na lang. Hindi, huwag na kayo, huwag na ako. Baka mahirapan kasi kayo eh. Okay? Sige, magtutog na tayo ulit. Last na muna to for now. Ready? Position, guys. Position. Next Sunday ha, wear dark shirts or iwasan natin magputi or light na kantas. Ready? Iwasan mag white or light colors na to. Ready? Sa likod daw yung kama ay daming nakalabas. Ba't nakatayo na? Okay.
Could you be here to a heart that's been wounded in a battle that's never seen? Could you be teacher to a mind of confusion, telling what is or me? Are you deliverer? Can you set my spirit free? And just one more question, allow me this question. Could you be Messiah to me? Could you be Messiah to me?
Nice one. Good job, guys.
Could you be father to a soul that's been abandoned
Nice.
by a world too busy to
Galaw, galaw.
Could you be friend to a helpless survivor?
God bless her,
Can you take away my
Good
fears?
job.
I heard them all sharing
Sharing.
this newfound conviction in them.
Nice one.
Are you all that they make you to be? And just one more question, allow me this question.
Messiah.
Be Messiah, please be Messiah.
Nice one. Yun na yun. Okay lang.
I'm so tired.
Congrats, guys. Thank you, guys. So, ano po, reminder ulit, please wala na absent, ha? Pakibalik ulit tulad sa hapon yung mga gloves, yung mga nag-uwi, make sure na. Thank you. Wala na absent, please. Medyo critical na tayo. Yung August, dapat lahat kayo present na lahat sa practice, ha? Thank you so much. Wear dark colors. Okay. Salamat, guys. Nag-video pa sila. Doon po, pakibalik po. Asan yung karton natin dyan? Ayun, pakibalik lahat sa karton. Pakibalik. Sino ulit yung mag-uwi? Sige, linis na kita sa mag-uuli ka.
Pag nawala ko na lang, wag na lang po. Shoot tayo.
Pag nawala yan, papalitan mo sa iyo. So, ang mag-uwi, si RJ, si Aaron, si Merly ulit, si Bam, tsaka si wala na iba mag-uwi Yay! Feel mo yung vlogs mo na yan.
Ayaw po ba?
Okay. Nagandang kami, isang dito.
Ay, mapit.
Oh, picture daw.
Pwede yung ikot. Ate. Pwede po yung ikot to. Ayun ka nga. Hindi ko makita. Isa. Dapat dito tayo kasi
Sana tayo. Hindi. Malabo ito. Parang kami. Di ba may flash? Ang angas. Ba't wala kasi tayo sa gitna? Asa may gitna? Tara na, yung bag nasa taas.
Sino yan?
Yes.
Yes!
Yes, Nino.
Hey! Bye! Where's Nino?
Sana i-ask mo sa tripod.
Ha? Mag-rest muna si Nino. Mamaya na lang tatawagin ka niya.
Or dahil yung babayaran natin ate.